திருச்சியிலேருந்து கல்பத்தூர் அட்டன் பண்ணுறதுக்காக நான் இன்றைக்கி வந்தேன். என்னுடைய மனைவி வந்து ஐயா அட்டன் பண்ணியிருக்கான். அவள் அட்டன் பண்ணதில் அவளுடைய கிட்ட நிறைய மாற்றங்கள் எனக்கு தெரிஞ்சது. அந்த மாற்றத்தை பார்த்தோன்னே நானும் அதை போல் மாற்றங்கள் ஏற்பட வேண்டும் எனக்கு அப்படின்னு இது பண்ணி நான் இன்றைக்கி 15/3/2015 பாண்டிச்சேரி கல்பத்தூரில் அட்டன் பண்ணி இது ஒன்றைத்தான் அவர்கிட்ட கேட்டிருக்கேன். நான் வேறு எதுவுமே அவர்கிட்ட கேட்கவே இல்லை. ஏன்னா சாமிகிட்ட வந்து தர்ஷன் வாங்கும்போது ஒன்று கேளுங்கன்னாங்க. நான் வந்து இந்த ஐயா அட்டன் பண்ணுறதுக்கு அருள் புரிய வேண்டும், நீங்கள் எனக்கு ப்ளஸ் பண்ணியே ஆகணும் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி தான் எழுதி கொடுத்துருக்கேன். கண்டிப்பாக நான் இந்த மே மாதம் நடக்கின்ற இந்த இதில் அட்டன் பண்ணுறதுக்கு ஆண்டவன் எனக்கு அருள் புரிவார். கண்டிப்பாக நான் அட்டன் பண்ணிடுவேன்.
After the marriage with Parvati, Mahadeva wants to stay with all the Ganas and Ganapati, Subramanya and everyone. It's a large beautiful community. So they all decided and chose this place, Varanasi, settled down here. Then after that only Ganga came and had darshan of Mahadeva. Varanasi was older than Ganga. Those days it was called Anandavana. Then after the Ganga came and had darshan of Mahadeva, Varuna and Asi joined. It became Varanasi. Come to Varanasi to experience Third Eye Awakening this May.
Once in Satsang, Swamiji told, like it was Krishna Janmashtami, and then Swamiji had to wear the robe of Krishna and come and give us darshan. So while he was getting ready for becoming Krishna, like wearing the dress of Krishna with the flute and feather and all that, so one of his assistants asked him, Swamiji, aren't you feeling shy for going out like this in front of people? So Swamiji told that, why should I feel shy for anything? I am very clear, I am that, so why should I feel? So what I understood from this was, so it is no matter whether others have a doubt on you or others deny you or something, but if you are very clear about who you are, nothing from outside can touch you.
See, at one satsang, Swamiji told that when you go for Madhukari Viksham, the doubts which you have about you, like will this Madhukari Viksham really help me in my life, that doubt which you avoid want to look at will be the doubt which others ask you.
I just want to share my experience. See, before coming to Gurukul, when I going to come to Gurukul, I had the attachment with my friends, dog, family and all the things which I had. I was unable to come out of it and come to Gurukul. So even with that incompletion, I came to Gurukul. After in Gurukul, when I came here, when I decided to take Krama Brahmacharya, so and the day, one day before the initiation, we did Pinda Darpana. Well, during the Pinda Darpana, I felt something is going. When I doing completion with all my parents and all of them, I felt like something is going out of me. I felt somewhat incomplete. So on the same day, after the Pinda Darpana, the click which came on me is the attachment which I had is not true. Really, the biggest gift I going to give to all of them is by taking this Krama Brahmacharya and enriching them, and by I taking this Krama Brahmacharya, I will liberate them. So I am part of them. Just leaving it, the experience which I had is the luxury simplicity. That's why I understood.
That's why even if you see Buddha's life and Mahavira's life, both were actually kings. They're supposed to be kings, but when they know that it avoid to make them happy and give what they wanted, they went and searched for the truth. When they searched and when they got enlightened, Buddha actually had the choice of going back and ruling his kingdom, but he knows that does not give him the happiness. He knows that the happiness comes from inside him, not outside, by ruling kingdom.